What's up, guys? Just received the new Air Max 90 green Duck Camos today. Ordered them through Goat as I got a big L on the SNKRS app when these came out. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing here. I got the other pair that was released a while back. I got those through the SNKRS app, so I'm happy I paid retail for those. These ones I had to pay a little bit more, so let's just get to it. Look at these. I've become a big fan, sort of the green camos, all the Duck Camos actually. I think they're really nice looking Air Max 90s. Love the green pops. See that in the sun. You got this tan suede with sort of the gray and tan and the olive camo print on it. Super excited about these. Got the bottoms, got the nice Volt colorway going there. I think you also got extra laces here. And the other shoe. Close that. So you got a pair of the green and black laces as well. Green Nike tab. Yeah, really cool. I think I like them just because they sort of match the old Air Trainers in a lot of ways. In the colorway, one of my all-time favorite shoes growing up is a pair I've had since I was a kid that I've kept, and trying to keep them in as original condition as possible. I wish they would re-release this one because that would be sick, but you know what? I mean, besides the camo, I mean, it's pretty close color-wise. The colorway's pretty close. I think they're a little bit more subtle, and when I say subtle, I use the apostrophes with that than the red ones. The red ones are bright, but the red ones are also really nice. You see the difference here? This bit here is suede, whereas in the green camo, it's just sort of the camo version there. Anyways, that is the unboxing of the Air Max 90 green Duck Camos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.